Read here with the avocado update. Been 2 months, a week and some days since the last video. So let me do an update and show how far they reach. Most of them inside, although you could see some from out here. Yeah. So let's go down into the tree and see. We have some here as we come down. We have a good bit here. Yeah. Just to get an idea how far they reach. So it's been 2 months, a week and some days, and this is as far as they reach. All over. Good, trees loaded. Yeah. Loaded. Each section is loaded to the brim. Right? So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. We have more video coming. You know we like to keep up to date. Yeah. So stay tuned.